The PNI GW200 glass washer uses an innovative pressurized water spray system inside the glass, ensuring fast and efficient washing, rinsing with reduced water consumption. The device is recommended for both the domestic residential sector and the catering sector, ensuring the same professionalism in bars, restaurants, or large kitchens, and can be mounted on any type of sink. Assembly and fixing is done quickly in the dedicated or specially made hole, with the fixing nut included in the package. The connection is made to the water supply using the flexible connector included in the package, equipped with a manual tightening system. Yellow nut.